Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda HR-V, a compact SUV that's quietly leveling up in design, tech, and efficiency. If you're looking for an urban-friendly crossover that's easy on gas but big on versatility, Honda might have just dropped your next daily driver. First off, the design. Honda has clearly refined the HR-V's exterior with sharper lines, a bolder grille, and slim LED headlights that finally give it a more premium and modern appearance. The 2026 model has a sleeker, coupe-like roofline and more sculpted sides, giving off a confident stance while still keeping that compact profile perfect for tight city streets. It's not flashy, but that's the point. It's stylish in a subtle, grown-up way. Under the hood, things stay familiar but slightly improved. The HR-V continues with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, pushing out around 160 horsepower. It's not a speed demon, but it's smooth, efficient, and built for real-world driving. Honda's tweaked the CVT for a more natural feel, and there are minor suspension enhancements that give it a more composed ride. For those hoping for hybrid, good news, there are strong rumors that a hybrid variant will arrive later in the year, borrowing tech from the Civic and CR-V hybrids. Inside, the 2026 HR-V continues Honda's trend of clean, functional design. The cabin feels more refined, with soft-touch materials, updated switchgear, and improved sound insulation. It's not luxury, but it definitely punches above its class. You get a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster on higher trims, and even wireless charging. Honda's infotainment system has improved a lot, and it finally feels intuitive and responsive. Passenger space remains a strong suit. The HR-V's rear seatroom and cargo capacity outclass many rivals, thanks to clever packaging. It feels more like a small mid-size SUV than a subcompact. Whether you're hauling groceries, gym bags, or gear for a weekend trip, this little SUV is up for it. Honda sensing is standard across the lineup, which means adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition come included. It's great to see safety tech not locked behind expensive trims anymore. Fuel economy is still one of the HR-V's strong points, with an estimated 28 to 34 miles per gallon depending on trim and drivetrain. For commuters and budget-conscious buyers, that's a solid win. In short, the 2026 Honda HR-V doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, and that's okay. It focuses on doing the essentials well. It looks better, drives smoother, has more tech, and stays affordable. It's not a flashy SUV, but it's one of the most practical and reliable ones you can get today. Whether you're a student, young professional, or small family, the HR-V deserves a spot on your test drive list. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. This is Rolling Legends. See you in the next ride.